Okay, so in this question, we're asked to find the nth term. So let's look at what's going on with this sequence. So when we go from 4 to 11, we notice we add on 7, and when we go from 11 to 18, we add on 7, and the same at the end. That's because it's arithmetic, means it's linear, it's adding or taking away the same amount each time. So because of this, we know that 7n is part of the sequence. 7n stands for 7 times n, and this creates the 7 times table because 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, times 3 is 21, times 4 is 28. So that's 7n is the nth term of the 7 times table. But when you look at what they have given us, if you look at the difference, right, 7n has 7, but they have 4. It's 3 less. If you look, 11 is 3 less than 14. So what that means is the sequence at the top is 7n, the 7 times table, but it's 3 less each time. And that is the nth term. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. Once again, we're looking for the nth term. So we look at what's going on in our sequence from 35 to 31. This time we see it's going down. It's going down by 4 each time. So part of that sequence is going to be, well, it's 4, so it's 4 times table, but it's negative. It's a negative 4 times table. And if we do that, if we look at the first one, 4 times 1 is 4, but we're doing the negative. So negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times 2, negative 4 times 3, and negative 4 times 4. Okay, so this sequence, the nth term for this sequence here, the negative 4 times table, is minus 4n. So we don't want this sequence. We want the sequence in the top. So let's have a look. We have 35 here on the first term, and the minus 4n term as minus 4. So what is the difference? Okay, we need to get to 35, and each time we're taking 4 off. So when we look at the first one, you can see that if we start with 39 and then we take 4 off, we get back to 35. Okay, so also, just to double check, if I have 39 for the second term and I take off 8, I get back down to 31. So in other words, this sequence up here is negative 4n, but plus 39. And that is the nth term. You could write it the other way. You could say it's 39, and then we take off the 4n. It's the same thing.